Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. Cooking food. Let's start. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. We eat raw rice, false. Banana can be eaten raw, true. We cook milk before drinking, true. And chapati is a cooked food, true. Food can be eaten raw or cooked. We eat all fruits and some vegetables raw. Some vegetables like onion, radish, carrot and tomato can be eaten raw as well as cooked. However, pulses, cereals, meat and fish need to be cooked before being eaten. Cooking makes food tender. It also kills the harmful germs present in food and cooked food is tastier and easier to digest. तो अलग अलग टाइप के फूड होते हैं, कुछ को हम पका के खाते हैं, कुछ हम रॉ खा लेते हैं, और अलग अलग फूड में आपके अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स भी होते हैं. Different kinds of stoves. We use heat from different sources to cook our food. The heat can come from gas, firewood, kerosene or electricity. Our food is placed in containers on the stove and then cooked in different ways. Look at these different types of stoves below. So we have different kinds of stoves जिस पे खाना बनता है. कुछ गैस आपके होते हैं, कई firewood से, kerosene से. Like all of these are the examples of your stoves. Cooking on firewood, लकड़ी पे बनाना, kerosene stove, a stove that uses coal. कोयला डालते हैं उससे आग लग जाती है. An electric stove, electricity से चलता है. A gas stove, pipeline या फिर cylinders आते हैं. And induction again जो आपका electricity पे ही चलता है. Cooking utensils in the kitchen. Different types of utensils are used for cooking food. In the past, utensils made of clay, brass and bronze were used for cooking. Such utensils were big in size. Nowadays, utensils are made of steel, copper and aluminum, and these utensils are light in weight and easy to handle. Pressure cooker, frying pan, cooking pot and griddle, tawa are some vessels commonly used in Indian kitchens. तो पहले तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी हांडियों में खाना बनता था, बहुत डिफिकल्ट भी हो जाता था और बहुत बड़े भी होते थे. उसके बाद आने लगे आपके नॉर्मल छोटे अलग अलग साइजेस के यूटेंसिल्स जैसे तवा हो गया, कढ़ाई हो गई, एंड वी कुक इट ऑन देम. Good to know. Utensils with a special coating called non-stick utensils are used for cooking with very little oil. अब आजकल स्पेशल यूटेंसिल आते हैं non-stick utensils. हल्का से तेल लगाइए, खाना चिपकता भी नहीं है और खाना अच्छे से बन भी जाता है. Different ways of cooking. Food can be cooked in different ways. They are as follows. Number one is steaming. Steaming is the best way of cooking because food items do not lose their nutrients. In steaming, we boil water in a closed utensil till it turns into steam. This hot steam cooks our food. A steamer or a pressure cooker is used to steam food. ढोकला, खांडवी, मोमोज एंड इडलीज आर कुक्ड बाय स्टीमिंग. फिर स्टीमिंग होता है जिसमें लिड लगाई जाती है और उसके बाद खाना बनाया जाता है प्रेशर कुक करके, नॉर्मल लिड डाल के. उससे हीट आपकी स्टीम एस्केप भी नहीं होती है और आपका खाना अच्छी तरीके से बन भी जाता है. मोमोज, ढोकला, खांडवी ये सारे खाने आपके स्टीमिंग से बनते हैं. Boiling. In boiling, solid food is heated directly in water. The bubbles of hot air move from the bottom to the surface and the heat makes the food softer and easier to chew. Boiling also kills the germs in food. Boiling can be done in any deep pan or patila. Pulses, rice and vegetables are mostly cooked in boiling water. Tea and coffee are also made by boiling water. अब बॉइलिंग का मतलब सब्जी दाल जो भी आप पकाते हैं कैसे पकाते हैं, पानी में डाला, मसाला वसाला डाला, बॉईल करा और आपका खाना बन जाता है। ऐसे ही आपके राइस बनते हैं, चाय कॉफी आपको बनानी है तो पहले पानी को बॉईल करा जाता है। सो दिस इज द सेकेंड वे ऑफ कुकिंग फूड। देन वी हैव रोस्टिंग। Cooking food directly over fire or in an oven without adding any water to it is called roasting. It is called dry heating. Roasted food is fat-free and healthy. Peanuts, chapatis and papads are roasted. Rotis are also made by roasting. अब roasting में सीधे गैस पे या किसी यूटेंसिल पे बना दिया जाता है, पानी नहीं डालते, जैसे चपाती हो गया। This is also a way of roasting. Grilling. Cooking food in direct heat using metal bars is called grilling. It is a fast way of cooking. It can also be done in an electric oven, a tandoor, on a barbecue or directly on the flame. Sweet potato, paneer, meat, fish, vegetables etc. can be grilled. So ये तंदूर पे आपका जो भी मीट या कुछ भी आपका पोटैटो, स्वीट पोटैटो हो गया, सीधे ग्रिल कर दिया जाता है ओवन में. This is grilling. Then baking. Cooking food in indirect heat in an oven is called baking. It is a healthy cooking process because it needs very little or no fat. An electric oven or a microwave oven is used for baking. We bake cakes, bread and cookies. Baking आता है, healthy भी इसे बोला जाता है, indirect heating होती है, little to no fat इसमें use होता है, which makes the cakes, breads or anything super healthy. Then frying. Frying is fried in oil. Food is fried in oil. Cooking food in hot oil that covers it completely is called deep frying. Puris, samosas, pakoras, etc. are fried in this manner. Deep frying is done in wok or kadhai. अब खाने को जब completely जैसे पकौड़े समोसे बनाते हैं, पूरा तेल में आपका डूब जाता है, इसे बोलते हैं हम फ्राइंग, जो ज्यादातर आपका वोक या फिर कढ़ाई में करा जाता है. Cooking food in a small amount of oil is called pan frying. Omelets, parathas and pancakes are pan fried items. It is done in pan. Cooking food by stirring and tossing it rapidly in very hot oil in high heat is called stir frying. Vegetables can be stir fried in a pan. However, too much fried food is not healthy. It may make us obese and cause heart problems. थोड़े से ऑयल में जब हम खाली सिर्फ कुकिंग करते हैं या पैन फ्राई जिसे हम बोलते हैं, हल्का सा तेल, जैसे ऑमलेट या पराठे आपके बन जाते हैं. फिर स्टर फ्राइंग, हाई हीट, लो ऑयल, वेजिटेबल्स और कॉन्स्टेंटली हाई हीट पे उसको हम स्टर करते रहते हैं. बट अगेन डीप फ्राइड जो आपके फूड आइटम्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट हेल्दी. फ्यूल्स फॉर कुकिंग. Cooking of food requires fuel. The materials are burned to produce heat or energy for cooking are known as fuels. There are different kinds of fuels that are used for cooking. Many years back, people cooked food on mud stoves, chulha, that mostly used firewood as a fuel. Later, people began using dried cow dung and coal to light these stoves. This was followed by the use of kerosene stoves to cook food. In villages, cow dung cakes are still used in chulhas to cook food. In some villages, biogas is also used for cooking. In cities, food is mostly cooked on gas stoves, which uses LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. This gas is either supplied in cylinders or through pipelines. So अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं कुकिंग करने के. पहले के टाइम पे मिट्टी के बनते थे चूल्हा, आज के दिनों में भी गांव में जाएंगे तो बायोगैस या फिर आपका जो काव डंक होता है उससे बनाया जाता है. और सिटीज में तो ज्यादातर आप गैस और गैस की पाइपलाइन ही देखेंगे जिसमें एलपीजी सप्लाई होता है, लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस, उसी पे खाना बनता है. Electric ovens, tandoors, hot plates, induction stoves and microwave ovens that are used in different ways of cooking run on electricity. In some places, solar energy is used in place of electricity. We get solar energy from the heat of the sun. Burning fuels like firewood, charcoal, coal, cow dung cakes and kerosene gives off smoke. This can make the air dirty, but using LPG, electricity and solar energy creates no smoke. Thus they are known as clean fuels. तो अब आपके सोलर पैनल्स भी यूज होने लग गए हैं जहां पे सीधे सन की हीट को कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है, बिकॉज ये जितने फ्यूल्स के बारे में हमने पढ़ा ये स्मोक जनरेट करते हैं, विच अल्टीमेटली लीड्स टू एयर पोल्यूशन. Now let's take a test. Match the following. Frying. Frying आपके समोसास के लिए होती है. Likewise, answer the rest of the points. Eating with family. Every family should eat at least one meal together. Eating together gives a sense of love, affection, care and sense of togetherness. It is the time when all the members of the family share their experiences of the day. साथ में बैठ के खाने से मज़ा ही आता है और ज़्यादा भी खाया जाता है और दिन भर के experiences भी share हो जाते हैं. So eat together. Let's revise. Fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Cereals, pulses, meat and fish need to be cooked before eating. Cooking makes food tender. Cooking food is tastier and easier to digest also. Food is cooked in different ways like by steaming, boiling, baking, grilling, roasting and frying. There are different types of utensils to cook different foods. Earlier, food used to be cooked on the chulhas using firewood. In cities, food is cooked on gas stoves which uses LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and we should eat our meals together. So we read about different kinds of fuels and ultimately साथ में बैठ के खाना family के साथ खाना चाहिए. Practice time. Take the correct answer. We must wash fruits and vegetables before cutting. This food is eaten both raw and cooked. This is carrot. Cooking food directly over fire is called roasting. In cities, food is cooked using LPG. Fill in the blanks. Cooking kills the germs that may be present in the raw food. Baking is done using the direct heat. Dash is cooked by roasting. Chapatis, we cook rice by boiling. We should have at least one meal together with our family. Name the cooking process in which these cooking utensils are used. Wok for deep frying, oven for baking, pressure cooker for steaming and griller for roasting. Now answer the following questions. Name any two kinds that we can eat raw as well as cooked. So we can eat tomatoes and carrots raw also, and we can cook and eat them also. Likewise, answer the rest of the questions also. Skills builder. Number the steps from 1 to 4 in the correct order. Making a lemonade. So how do you start? First of all, you will pour water into the glass, and likewise number the rest of the points also. Make a chart of the food that you eat in breakfast, lunch and dinner. तो breakfast, lunch और dinner में आप अपने हिसाब से यहाँ पे लिखेंगे कि आप क्या क्या कंज्यूम करते हैं. लाइक breakfast में आप पराठा खा सकते हैं, lunch में आप राइस एंड दाल खा सकते हैं, dinner में you can again eat chapati and something light. So according to your own schedule, you have to write down here. Life skill. Use of knives, scissors and fire is common in cooking. So take precautions to prevent accidents while working in the kitchen. तो kitchen में आप बहुत छोटे हैं, अभी तो आपको जाना ही नहीं चाहिए because वहाँ पे बहुत sharp objects and fire भी होती है. So never go to the kitchen alone. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.